Imagine generating 10-second UGC style video just for 15 cents, whereas other AI tools charges you around $2 to $5 for the same exact thing. You heard that right. I have built this N8n plus Sora API workflow, which does the same thing for 10x cheaper the amount. In this video, I'm gonna cover intro, the cost breakdown, the demo, and the setup part. Let's get started. The idea is simple. Create an N8n workflow using Sora to video generation model instead of paying expensive amount to SaaS platforms that results in the same output quality with the fraction of cost and also with the customizable automation. Most AI tools cost around $2 for 10-second video. If you want to create around 100 videos, that might cost around $200. So this N8n workflow cost only 15 cents for each video. So you can generate 100 videos just in $15, which is 10x cheaper and fully automated. Let's see the demo now. So this is the workflow, and I have a Google sheet of 3 products with its photos, ICP, product feature, video setting, the model which I want to use for video generation, and the status, and the finished video. You'll get a link over here when the video has been generated. And this is an image of a Johnson Dates brand. Okay, now let me run this workflow. It will fetch the first row of the sheet. Since it is in the ready stage, it will fetch the first row, and this is the switch statement where I've given 3 switches, which is a VO, Nano, Banana, and Sora. So you can add an additional video generation model as well if you want to like generate any different kind of videos. So right now I'm using Sora 2. So now it goes to the AI agent, which creates a video generation prompt. So I've given a system message of like what the prompt should be, and it generates a prompt for it, and it sends to a Sora video API. So I'm using a platform called Kia AI, which has all kind of video generation models, as you can see here. So I'm using its API key, and I'm just copying in the header auth over here, and it generates the video, and it might take around 1 to 2 minutes. So I've kept it in a loop, and it keeps on checking if the video has been generated or not. Still the stage is in generating mode. Once the state becomes success, then the link of that video saves in the Google sheet. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes of time. As you can see, the workflow has been completed. Let me check my Google Sheets. As you can see, the links has been generated over here, and I am downloading the video of here.
These Johnson dates are so plump and sweet, no added sugar. They give me nice, steady energy, and they're loaded with fiber and potassium. Watch this.
It's pretty good video. And let me show you the second product video.
I love that it's zero sugar with natural caffeine from tea. It's real focus without the crash. The berry flavor plus B vitamins actually keeps me going through study nights.
As you can see, the UGC style video has been generated with only 15 cents of money. Let me show you the N8n workflow setup. So click on this 3 dots, click on import from file, and select this UGC JSON file, which is attached in the description, and you get this workflow. You need to go to the sheets, and you need to add your credential by signing with Google, and you need to add your client ID and client secret, and you get access to the Google Sheets. And you need to add your OpenAI API key over here. This you will get it from platform.openai.com. You need to go to API key section and create a new API key, and you can change the system prompt as your wish and as your needs. Like if you want to create a videos of any different categories and styles, you can all tweak it from here. And this is the Sora video API. We are using a provider called kia.ai. So you need to go to their website, go to API key section, copy the API key and paste it over here, and you can recharge this according to your needs, like how many credits you want, you can recharge based on that. And that's it, everything is configured, you're good to go to run this workflow. If you are in e-commerce, media, design agency, this workflow will help you to create multiple videos at scale with a low budget. Hope you have liked this video. Hit that subscribe button for more such content. Thank you.